If you're looking for the Windows 11 26H2 ISO, take a look at this. This PC is already running Windows 11 version 26H2. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to download the same ISO directly from Microsoft's official website. Let's begin. Open your browser and search for Windows Insider Program. Open the official Microsoft website. Sign in with your Microsoft account, accept the terms, and complete the registration. After signing in, the page will automatically reload. Scroll down to the Select Edition section. Click the drop-down menu and select Windows 11 Insider Preview, Experimental Build. At the time of recording, the latest available build is 26,300.8772. You'll notice Microsoft labels it as Windows 11 version 25H2. So you're downloading the correct build. Click Confirm. Choose your preferred language. Click Confirm again. Microsoft will generate your download link. Click 64-bit download, and the ISO will begin downloading. Keep in mind that the file is several gigabytes in size, so the download time will depend on your internet connection. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded the official Windows 11 26H2 experimental ISO directly from Microsoft. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Windows tutorials and insider preview updates. Thanks for watching.